Alright, so here we have this mini projector. It's kind of just a generic projector that you can get at a pretty good price point. Pretty good quality as far as the image quality. It focuses pretty easy. You can see the lens here. And then the model is called the HIL4. But yeah, so we've gotten some good use out of this. We've really enjoyed using it. It comes with different inputs, so you can plug in the HDMI, USB, VGA if you need to. Here you see the AV and the headphone jack there. It's also got Bluetooth connection. You know what I'm saying? It's very easy to use. Navigate the screen, the menu. The setup is pretty easy. The only thing I would say about it is just as far as if you have this came off, my daughter unscrewed this right here all the way off, and there wasn't really a instructions, or maybe we threw away the manual, but trying to figure out how to put this back in took me a little time. But yeah, that would be my only complaint about it.